Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0737O in color code 006. The color of the frame is Havana. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are rectangular shape. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. On both sides. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its bottom right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, a black and white Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci dust bag, a Gucci envelope, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.